Have you ever wondered how much you could really make on the Emma app? It's a question that's been on the minds of many, especially in today's gig economy. We've all seen the ads, the testimonials, and the promises of easy money. But is it really as simple as it seems? In this video, we're going to dive deep into the Emma app, explore its features, and find out just how much you can earn. What is Emma app? Let's start by understanding what the Emma app is all about. It's a platform that connects freelancers with clients, offering a wide range of services, from writing and editing to design and programming. The app's goal is to provide a convenient and efficient way for freelancers to find work and for clients to hire skilled professionals. But how does it actually work, and what kind of opportunities does it offer? How does Emma app work? The process is pretty straightforward. As a freelancer, you create a profile showcasing your skills and experience. You can also add samples of your work to demonstrate your abilities. Once your profile is set up, you can start browsing through available projects. Clients post their requirements, including deadlines, budgets, and specific tasks. You can then apply for projects that match your skills and interests. If a client selects your application, you'll be able to communicate directly with them to discuss the project details and negotiate terms. Once you've agreed on the terms, you can start working on the project. Factors affecting earnings. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter. How much can you actually earn on the Emma app? The answer is not straightforward as it depends on several factors. Skills and experience. The more skilled and experienced you are, the more valuable your services will be to clients. This means you can command higher rates and land more lucrative projects. Time commitment. The amount of time you dedicate to working on Emma app will directly impact your earnings. The more projects you take on and the faster you complete them, the more money you'll make. Project difficulty and scope. Some projects are more complex or time-consuming than others. These projects often come with higher pay rates. Client reviews and ratings. Building a strong reputation on Emma app is essential. Positive reviews and ratings from clients can attract more work and potentially lead to higher rates. Competition. The level of competition in your specific field will also influence your earnings. If there are many freelancers offering similar services, you may need to be more competitive with your rates. Case studies. To give you a better idea of what's possible, let's look at a few case studies of successful freelancers on Emma app. Case study 1. A freelance writer who specializes in content marketing has been using Emma app for over a year. They consistently earn between $2,000 and $3,000 per month by taking on several writing projects each week. Case study 2. A graphic designer has built a successful business on Emma app, landing high-paying projects for clients in various industries. They charge premium rates for their design services and have a steady stream of work. Case study 3. A software developer has used Emma app to supplement their income by taking on freelance programming projects on the weekends. They earn an average of $500 per month, which is a significant boost to their finances. Tips for maximizing earnings. If you're looking to maximize your earnings on Emma app, here are a few tips to keep in mind. Build a strong profile. Make sure your profile is professional, informative, and showcases your best work. Use keywords that potential clients are likely to search for. Network with clients. Connect with clients on social media and build relationships. This can lead to referrals and repeat business. Be responsive. Respond promptly to client messages and meet deadlines. A reputation for reliability is crucial for success. Negotiate rates. Don't be afraid to negotiate your rates, especially for larger or more complex projects. Diversify your services. Offer a variety of services to attract a wider range of clients. So, how much can you really make on the Emma app? The answer is, it depends. With the right skills, dedication, and networking, you can earn a substantial income. But it's important to be realistic and understand that it takes time and effort to build a successful freelance business. With that said, Emma app offers a great opportunity for freelancers to find work and earn money. If you're looking to supplement your income or start a freelance career, it's definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or experiences with Emma app, feel free to share them in the comments below. Until next time.